So I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of this printer. Now first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Once your printer is on, we go and open the front door. So there are two doors here. So this is the front door. As you can see, you can open it like this, and there is another door behind it, so you just push it, it will open as well. Once we open the ink cartridge chamber door, it will move the ink cartridge chamber in the middle. Now we can just push the ink cartridges downwards with the finger, and it will just slide and come out. So do it for the both color and the black ink cartridge. Now this printer uses HP 65 XL and 65 normal ink cartridges, so you can use it in this printer. You can also use the single ink cartridge. If you don't want color, you can just use the black and you can just do the printing and copy with that. Or if you just want, you can only use the color ink cartridge, and that will work as well. So to install the new ink cartridge, we just have to slide it in. Black will go to the black side, and hold the printer with the other hand and push it inwards. It will lock itself. For the tricolor as well, you just have to slide it in, push it inwards, it will lock itself. Now we can close the ink cartridge chamber door. You can also load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray, which is here. So that is in case your printer prints the alignment page, then you have to just open the top scanner lid and place the page there and hit the copy button. Thanks for watching.